Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Zain Rizwan. I will be the student. I am here to present Hadith with their translation. First Hadith is Sincere God will. Tamim ad-Dari reported, the messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Inna ad-Deen al-Nasiha. Verily the religion is sincerity. And the second Hadith is minding our own businesses. Ali ibn Hussein reported that Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Inna min husni Islamil mar'i tarkahu ma la yahni. Verily from the perfection of Islam is that person leave what does not concern him. And there is third hadith. Love your brother. Anas ibn Malik reported that Messenger of Allah, peace be upon him, said, لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب الآخر لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب الآخرة ما يحب لنفسه. None of you has faith until he loves for his brother or he loves for himself. And there is another hadith. Be in the world as a stranger. Abdullah ibn Umar reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing upon him, told of my shoulder and said, كن في كن في الدنيا كأنك غريب أو عابر سبيل. Be in the world as though you were a stranger or traveler along a path. And there is another hadith, desires and Islam. Abdullah ibn Umar reported the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, لا يؤمنون أحدكم حتى يكون هو تبعا لما جئتم به. None of you has faith until his desires are subservient to what I have brought. Another hadith, Aisha Razulullah Ta'ala reported that Messenger of Allah, peace be upon him, said, Man ahadathu fi amrina haza ma laysa fihi fahuwa radda. Whoever innovates something into matter of ours which does not belong to it will have to reject it. And there is